Hello YouTubes, time once again for our once a week trip round the block to pick up as much salt and grit and dirt as possible on the underside of the hot rod. Nah, just kidding, just to blow away the cobwebs over winter. When I get back, it will be time for the final round of the PP game, so stay tuned. Awesome as ever. Now, before we get started, at this time of year, Christmas and New Year, I do like to give thanks to a couple of guys that have been taking my crap all year. I like to give them a couple of beer tokens and show my appreciation. Who am I talking about? Follow me. Okay, it is now time for the final round of
the PP game.
On the last round, I asked which job I did not do: a hotel night porter, Kirby vacuum salesman, or a racetrack marshal. I was never a racetrack marshal. I did in fact work in a hotel in Brighton over the summer one year. Not that hotel that was in the picture, but something very, very similar. Right, on to the final round. Now, as you'll see in the leaderboard at the end of the video, it's kind of tight up there. So for this round, it's going to be a wee bit different again. I'm going to tell you the job I did, and you have to guess how long I worked at that job for in minutes. It was that bad. I was working in a sketchy old man's pub in the East End of Glasgow. You know the sort of place I'm talking about. It stinks of cigarette smoke. The carpet is kind of sticky. I was kind of worried I would catch hepatitis or something. Management were terrible. Working conditions were just awful. So I was out of there pretty quickly. So whoever guesses to the nearest minute will win that round. And obviously in a tie-break situation, then whoever's closest is going to win that. Make sense? I think so. So, remember, leave your comment below, but you've only got 2 days to do this because I will be revealing the winner on New Year's Day. Noon my time, I'll be doing a live stream, and any video after that I will also announce the winner, but you want to tune in for the live stream, find out who won and what you're going to win. So that's me for today. I will be posting a yearly roundup tomorrow, New Year's Eve. So make sure you tune in for that. And hopefully I'll see you all on Sunday. Take care, everyone. I'm going for another drive. Bye-bye.